In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Workspace account 2026, step by step. We're going to move primary control of a Google Workspace environment from one admin to another, make sure billing information is updated, and then safely remove the old access. Follow along on a computer where you're already able to sign in as an administrator. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com using the current administrator account. This is important because only an existing admin can create or promote another admin. Once you're in, you'll manage everything from here, including users, roles, and billing. Keep the admin console open as we go. Next, prepare the account that will take over. In the left menu, open directory, then users. If the incoming owner doesn't have an account yet, create a new user and fill in the basics so it's ready to use. If they already exist in your directory, simply search for them and open their user profile. You want to be looking at the individual user's page where their settings and roles can be adjusted. Now give that user full administrative authority. In the user's profile, open admin roles and privileges. From the list of roles, select super admin and save your changes. The super admin role grants the highest level of access, including managing users, security, apps, and billing. Assign this only to a trusted person and communicate clearly that they now hold full control of the workspace environment. The change typically takes effect quickly. If billing ownership also needs to move, go to billing in the admin console. Update the primary payment method so charges are handled by the new owner's card or account, and change the billing contact details to their email and address. The exact options you see can depend on how you subscribed. With a direct Google subscription, you can usually update payment and contacts right here. If your organization purchased Workspace through a reseller, you may need to work with that reseller to complete the billing transfer on their side. Make sure the new details are accurate to avoid service interruptions. After you've confirmed the new admin can access what they need and billing looks correct, it's time to remove the old access. Open the previous admin's user profile, remove the super admin role so they no longer have elevated privileges, or, if appropriate for your organization, suspend or delete that account entirely. Many teams choose to remove the role first and keep the account suspended for a short period before deleting, just in case something needs to be recovered. That's it. You've transferred admin control, updated billing, and retired the old access in a clean, secure handoff.